Binance is propelling Shiba Inu to unprecedented heights. Shib has maintained a prolonged association with Binance, and it seems that Binance is on the verge of fulfilling our long-anticipated expectations. If you possess any interest in Shiba Inu or have Shib tokens, this video is essential viewing. What is the most recent news about Shiba Inu coin? What impact will all of this have on the valuation of Shiba Inu? In this video, I will address these inquiries and provide you with the latest price-enhancing facts on Shiba Inu. I have conducted much research for this video, so please ensure you view it in its entirety to avoid missing any material. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. Prior to addressing our issue, let us examine the chart to ascertain the cost of Shiba Inu on May 20th, shall we? The current price of Shiba Inu is around 1,430 units. The price has increased by 1.6% in the last 24 hours, accompanied by a trading volume of $198 million during that period. The token now has a market capitalization of $8.4 billion, positioning it as the 20th highest valued cryptocurrency. Be advised that some rates may have changed by the time you see this video. This material does not constitute financial advice. Let us proceed to today's video. Shibarium achieves a significant milestone with 1 billion Shiba Inu transactions and counting. Although Shibarium's activity stagnated at the start of March, it has recently seen a notable resurgence. In recent days, the processed everyday transactions reached millions, so elevating the total transactions past the threshold of 1 billion. Key members of the Shiba Inu team acknowledged the accomplishment, conveying appreciation to all contributors. Lucy, the marketing strategist for Shibarium, was included among them. Shibarium is explicitly designed to augment the Shiba Inu ecology. Enhance transaction velocity and expenses, broaden functionality, and include a token burning mechanism. Consequently, several market stakeholders contend that the protocol's further advancement may positively impact the Shiba Inu pricing. Earlier this year, prominent Bitcoin proponent Jeremy Da Vinci predicted an extraordinary surge for Shiba Inu. If Shibarium's acceptance increases, I like Shiba Inu as you are aware, and I believe it will do quite well in this cycle. However, it may not reach the anticipated height. I believe Shiba Inu has significant usefulness with the introduction of Shibarium, which is essentially a blockchain capable of supporting many applications. Nevertheless, it remains unused by anybody. No apps for using your coins on Shibarium are currently available. Should they resolve that issue, Shiba Inu will see significant ascension. In the previous week, Shiba Inu's exchange net flow indicates that positive momentum may persist for a little longer. CryptoQuant's analysis indicates that withdrawals of tokens from centralized platforms have surpassed deposits, indicating that investors are transferring their holdings to self-custody. This tendency often alleviates the right-of-way selling pressure. If you are still viewing, your support by clicking the like button would be much appreciated. It incurs no expense and significantly helps in supporting the channel. Continue viewing to discover the most recent details about Shiba Inu and the potential future of the Shiba Inu token. Binance launches a new referral program, providing incentives of up to $290,000 in Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. The biggest cryptocurrency exchange globally launched the promotion. Throughout this duration, Binance users may get a portion of the $290,000 prize pool in Shiba Inu and Dogecoin awards by recommending new users or reactivating current referrals to engage in trading on the site. Besides Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, Binance intends to randomly allocate awards in more cryptocurrencies, including BNB and Pepe. Binance Referral Initiative. The referral program has two primary activities: augmenting the number of invited traders and encouraging new users to make deposits and trade on Binance. Task A. The first action necessitates Binance users to augment the quantity of invited traders. This entails motivating current referrals who registered on Binance using your Referral Pro link ID to engage in trading on the exchange's spot, futures, or margin platforms. Binance allocated a prize fund of $240,000, with awards anticipated to be randomly awarded in Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and other cryptocurrencies. Users must affirm their involvement in this campaign by pressing the Join Now icon on the activity page. Upon enrollment, users must motivate current referrals or new users to register using their referral ID and execute trades on Binance. To qualify for a portion of the $240,000 incentive, participants must have a minimum of 3 invited traders and recommend at least 1 new user who completes a transaction after joining the campaign. Initially, Binance organized the rewards into 5 levels, each associated with distinct prize pools. Participants must own a minimum of 3 exchanged invites to qualify for a prize pool valued at $20,000 in Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. Tiers 2, 3, 4, and 5 need a minimum of 10, 20, 50, or 100 exchanged invitations for players to distribute a prize fund of $30,000, $40,000, $50,000, and $100,000, respectively. For each tier, it is necessary to recommend at least 1 additional user to engage in trading throughout the campaign time. Activity B. To engage in this additional campaign, you must solicit new users to register using your referral link and motivate them to deposit a minimum of $50 via P2P trading, credit card purchases of cryptocurrency, or cash deposits. Subsequently, persuade them to execute a minimum transaction volume of $200 on Binance's spot market. Upon job completion, both you and your invitee will get $5 in USDC token coupons, resulting in a total prize pool of $50,000. This event is restricted to the initial 5,000 people who meet the criteria. Binance will allocate the incentives within 21 business days after the conclusion of the activity, and users are required to redeem the token vouchers within 14 days of distribution. It is now time to present the primary narrative of today's video. The price of Shiba Inu has rebounded. A bullish trend may be imminent for Shiba Inu after its impressive recovery from a crucial local support level, indicating a potential big price reversal. The meme currency, which has had a consistent decline in recent months, has shown renewed interest with a daily increase of 2% and is now trading around 1,430 units. Upon meticulous analysis of the daily chart, it is evident that Shiba Inu has effectively maintained a significant support level at 1,410 units, which has traditionally functioned as a reversal point. Given the rising relative strength index, now about 47.8, and exhibiting an upward trend, there is a potential indicator of escalating bullish momentum. The recent comeback from this level may signify the commencement of a short to medium-term rebound. A little uptick in purchasing demand is evident from volume statistics. Nevertheless, it remains behind prior breakouts. A substantial follow-up with heightened volume in the next sessions is necessary to verify that this rebound is not only a temporary reprieve. Despite the prevailing macro trend being negative, the present setup indicates a potential local turnaround. Be advised that some rates may have changed by the time you see this video. This material does not constitute financial advice. A significant number of our subscribers assert their intention to retain their SHIB holdings for the next 5 years, possessing millions of tokens due to their confidence in the Shiba Inu creators and the intrinsic worth of SHIB. What is the quantity you are holding? Ensure to enumerate your SHIB assets in the comments area below. Let us commend the SHIB owner for their confidence and faith in the process. If you are appreciating the video, kindly provide a significant thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share your opinions on the Shiba Inu token in the comments. Ensure that post notifications are on to get alerts whenever we upload a new video.